Hello, it's George at Suprema again. Today I'm going to be talking about the BW2, how to set up the device, authentication types, and just quick tips that I can include about the device. So let's get into the device. Inside the box you will actually have the standard Suprema stuff, just the open source software license, the quick guide to start quickly, the BioStar 2 download link, and the sticker that you can use for the bracket on the actual wall. So within the install pack, you do have a ferrite core. That's to reduce interference on RS485 and Wiegand. You'll have the install screws, shrink wrap tubing so that you can shrink wrap any of the wires on the back of the device, as well as the diode and transistor for RS485 and the relay. So into the actual W2 itself. This is an IP rated device, so it can be installed outside. It does have the IP67 rating as well as the IP65 rating on top of that. One good thing about this device is it does have live finger detection, so that if you are trying to spoof the reader with a fake fingerprint, like printed from either vinyl or 3D printed perhaps, it will actually detect using the sensor at the very back of the device whether it is a live finger or not. It is also PoE rated, so that it can be powered via 48 volt PoE, or just standard 12 volt on the actual connector on the very back. With the rest of the wires, it will have the standard Suprema, just as the relay, the Wiegand, the RS485, the inputs, and a couple of grounds. With the BW2 device, this has also recently been upgraded to support the mobile credential, so that you can use your mobile phone over Bluetooth to the actual device itself, as well as NFC on Android, hopefully coming to iPhone in future updates. So that was going through the W2 device. Thanks for tuning in, and tune in again next time.